Hello traders, I'm Jason from Sureshotfx. Today I have got another forecast about Euraud for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with Euraud. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. We'll start our analysis with the H1 market structure. If you look at last week market structure, we can clearly see that last week after this pullback, which was a part of the bigger upward trend, market changed its character at this point, and afterwards market is pushing higher and higher, creating higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here. Now if we go to 4-hour time frame, let's hide out drawings, and if we go to the highest time frame, then we can clearly see that this downwards trend was a part of this bigger upward trend, and at this point, market changed its character from bearish to bullish. So we can clearly say that market of Euraud is in a bullish phase. So where it might go next? We can clearly see there are equal high liquidity points. As you can see here, there are multiple equal highs which can be used as liquidity. So market may look out for that's liquidity point, or it might also get a reaction from this order block, and we can also see there is a inefficient price action here. So coming back to our H1 time frame, what can we expect from Euraud this week? As we have marked here that there was a bullish trend and market is still in a bullish on high time frames as well. So we will be looking for entry at a pullback. As this is Monday, market is almost pushing to this 50%. Let's draw our fib level. So 50% is somewhere about here. So we can expect a pullback from this 50% or even from this order blocks. And after price reach at this 50% or discounted zone or at this order block, we will be looking for price action like this. Let's say downward trend, and it will switch its trend, making it bullish. That will align with high time frame, and we will be looking for long setups at this point or something like this at a discount zone for buying. So let's summarize the forecast of Euraud. Euraud bias is potentially bullish this week. Current H1 market structure is bullish, and we are expecting a pullback at the beginning of the week. So looking at long setups is the wise option for us. But we'll be looking for long setups only after a pullback and change of character at the lower time frames. So from what I can see in the charts, I think Euraud might keep going up this week. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, Forex trading carries risk, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That's all for our Euraud forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more valuable information about Forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.